Hello, everybody, and what a special edition of the Tony Show we have today. We're here to honor our veterans, and some gave all, and all gave some. And we're honored here at Suburban to honor you veterans and your first responders. So AJ, who's a veteran, an Iraqi veteran, by the way, which we're very proud of, is going to fill you in on what Suburban Lawn does for you guys.
So once again, happy Veterans Day. It's my honor to be in front of you veterans today and let you know what we can do for you here at the business. Year round, we offer 10% off of service and parts, and the majority of our major brands and lines have specific discounts available for first responders and for veterans. And for more information on that, please do go to our website, sublawneq.com.
So everybody, if you have a veteran, please tip your hat to them and make sure that you know they appreciate for everything that they have done, because without them, we would not have the freedoms that we have today. So thank you very much, and happy Veterans Day.
Happy Veterans Day.